For a very good morning to all of you and wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our country. It is a day to remember the sacrifices that have been made to make our country what it is today. On August 15, 1947, India gained freedom from the British rule. It was a momentous occasion and it marked the beginning of a new era for our country. The freedom struggle was long and hard. The theme of the Independence Day of this year is Unity in Diversity. They can explore how different religions, cultures and traditions coexist peacefully in India and making it a unique and vibrant nation. The concept of unity in diversity can be explored in depth, fostering a sense of inclusivity and respect for all the cultures. So at last, wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
Culture for the freedom of the society that is to be necessary for each and everyone. So it is our moral duty how to save our constitute, and it is the duty of each and everyone or each and every people to save our constitution as well as save our society. So at last the freedom period was very long and was very hard. So once again, wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you.
मनोहरः राष्ट्रीयपर्वः अस्ति। माननीयः प्रधानाचार्य महोदयः, मम अध्यापकवृन्दः, अत्र सर्वेषां कृते मम अभिवादनं। सर्वप्रथमं भवेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः स्वतन्त्रदिवसस्य हार्दिकशुभकामनाः। अद्य वयं सर्वे अत्र देशस्य 870तमं स्वतन्त्रतादिवसम् आचरामः। अद्य वयं सर्वे अतीव आनन्देन अस्य दिवसस्य उत्सवं कुर्मः। देशमग्रे सारयितुं भारतं विश्वस्य जगद्गुरुं वर्तते। जय हिंद, जय भारतम्। हृद्पिच चन्दनमस्मिन् देशे ग्रामो ग्रामः सिद्धवनं यत्र च वाला देवी स्वरूपा वाला सर्वे देशे ग्रामो ग्रामः सिद्धवनं यत्र च वाला देवी स्वरूपा वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम विश्वरूपा वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम हरिमन्दिरमिदमखिल शरीरं ब्रह्म शक्तियं सेवायै ब्रह्म शक्तियं सेवायै यत्र च क्रीडायै हि वनराया धेनुर्माता परमशिवा धेनुर्माता परमशिवा नित्यं प्रातः शिवगुणगानं नित्यं प्रातः शिवगुणगानं दीपनुकी खलु शत्रुपरा यत्र च वाला देवी स्वरूपा वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम वाला सर्वे श्रीराम। जय हिंद, जय भारतम।
For us as an Indian, because it was on 15 August that was achieved independence from the British rulers. After independence, Indians could enjoy all the freedom and enjoy the all fundamental rights. This was the beginning of new era for 1947. We can say that it was a decade-long period which started from 1857 and continued till 1947. Our great revolutionary Mangal Pandey is remembered as the first freedom fighter, first raised his voice against the Britishers, which started the fierce struggle to free India from the chain of slavery of Britishers. after which many freedom fighters dedicated their entire lives for the freedom of country. How we can forget the sacrifice of revolution like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram, who sacrifices their lives for the country at such a young age. Apart from this, how can we forget the sacrifices of Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose? There is no doubt Gandhiji was a great Indian who gave the important message to non-violence to whole world. Now I would like to permission to end the speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Independence Day. So today, we celebrating the 78th Independence Day, and on 15 August 1947, we got freedom from the British rulers. They rule over more than 2 illiterate, lack of education.